Good morning, everyone. Today is travel day to Sicily, and what I've decided to do is leave my bag here on baggage storage. It's a little travel hack. They're charging me €9 a day to keep a bag that maybe has things I don't need that's extra. For example, cold weather clothes. I will not be needing those in Sicily. So I've dropped off my bag. I put a bag inside of another bag, and it's all here. So whenever I get back to Amsterdam, I'll be able to pick up my suitcase and take it with me. I think it's a good deal because let's say you're traveling with skis or large items that you don't want, are bulky and they cost every single time you get on a plane. Sometimes it's better to just get here and then leave this stuff behind. So that's what I've decided to do. It's €9 a day. Thank you to my father who taught me how to do this. It's a travel hack. Add it to your repertoire. So what's up for everyone? Now I'm over here at the EasyJet line. It's not like the Southwest Airlines. Gonna have to be, at least I came here in advance. It's about 9:15 a.m. I'm allowed to check in at 9:45. I can put my bags together if need be. A little how we're gonna make you pay more money situation here. Mindful when you're traveling, the size of your suitcase matters. Pause. Yeah, long story short, I booked this flight mad last minute, but now I don't think they're like Ryanair, so I don't think they're gonna take my money.